In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your vocals sound better in Soundtrap. We'll walk through a simple flow that delivers professional sounding results. Capture a clean recording, set proper levels, shape the tone with EQ, smooth things out with compression, and add just enough reverb to create space. Start by recording clean vocals. Choose the quietest spot you can, turn off noisy fans, and monitor with headphones so the mic doesn't pick up your backing track. Position yourself a few inches from the microphone and keep that distance consistent as you perform. A pop filter helps reduce harsh P and B sounds and keeps your take more even. Aim for a confident but controlled performance. Good technique at the source is the fastest way to better mixes. Next, adjust your gain and volume. Click your vocal track and open track controls. While singing the loudest parts, raise or lower the input or gain so the meter never hits red. You want your peaks hovering around -6 to -3 decibels. That sweet spot prevents clipping and distortion while leaving headroom for effects. If your quiet lines feel too low afterward, don't worry. Compression will help even that out. Now apply EQ. Click FX, then EQ. Start with a low cut to remove everything below about 100 Hz. This clears rumble and frees space for bass instruments. Add a gentle boost in the 2 to 5 kHz range to bring clarity and help the words cut through the mix. A subtle high boost around 8 to 12 kHz adds air and sheen. If the vocal sounds boxy or muddy, try a small cut around 200 to 400 Hz. Make small moves and listen in the context of the whole track so the vocal sits naturally. Add compression to smooth out volume spikes. Click FX, then compressor. Set a moderate threshold around -20 decibels, choose a ratio of about 3:1 or 4:1, use a fast attack to tame quick peaks, and a medium release so the vocal breathes. You're aiming for a steady, present sound without pumping. If it starts to feel squashed, ease up the threshold or a ratio. Finally, add reverb for space and depth. Click FX, then reverb. If you're on a free account, pick Hall or Plate, set the mix around 10 to 25%, and keep decay in the short to medium range. You want to feel the room, not swim in it. Pull the mix back until the vocal feels natural but still up front. That's it. Clean recording, smart levels, focused EQ, tasteful compression, and a touch of reverb for a polished Soundtrap vocal.